Yeah, we had a couple questions, so we just wanted to take a minute to do a quick update. The measurement from this point to this point, the top of the shaft to the center of the slip ring after you get done pushing it down, is 24 to 25 millimeters. We'll call it 24.5 millimeters plus or minus a half a millimeter. We also had a couple questions about pulley removal. You don't really have to grab a hold of it with a rag if you don't want to. We're going to use a brand of rust bust called the Blue Creep. We also recommend PB Blaster. This is a fairly popular brand of impact. We have it set on the second setting on reverse. What we're going to do is just remove it without grabbing a hold of the pulley. This particular time it came right off, but if it doesn't come right off, you can always bump it 3 or 4 times, and really all you're doing is just keeping your hands off here. Then you have to wait for the rotation to stop before you bump it again. You can usually bump it like 3 or 4 times and they come right off.